So when we work quadratic equation out to find the roots using completing the square method, the three scenarios that you might encounter, that you will encounter. First being real roots and unequal. The second case is real and equal roots, and third case is not real roots. So these are the three possible scenarios, and this is what we're going to discuss now. So now, to begin with, we're looking at x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0, and you, after completing the square, right, you end up with this particular equation. And post this, you know what to do. So you have x plus 2 the whole square, finding the roots, minus 9 is equal to 0. So to eliminate minus 9, I'll add plus 9 both sides. So we have x plus 2 the whole square is equal to plus 9. And to make this go away, we have square and square root being cancelled, and we have x plus 2 is equal to plus or minus 3. Right? And this, why is this plus or minus 3 and all that I've explained in the other video. So now we're looking at two scenarios, two possibilities, alpha being x plus 2 being equal to 3. So x is equal to 1, while your beta is x plus 2 is equal to minus 3. So x is equal to minus 5. So you can see the roots are real but unequal. Alpha is not equal to beta, right? But the roots are real numbers. So you can see that they are real numbers. When they tell real roots, means real numbered roots. Okay, they mean real numbered roots, right? Next, we have real and equal roots. So you get an equation like this. You can convert it to a plus b the whole square format. So next is, right, finding the roots. So to do this, we're looking at x plus 3 the whole square, right? There is no constant over here, so we can directly go with the square root. So we'll end up with x plus 3 being equal to 0. So after this is quite simple. Alpha is equal to x plus 3 being equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 3. Even beta is the same. Why is it? Well, if I had taken this as plus or minus 0, which is, there's no plus or minus 0 per se. So if plus 0 and minus 0 would have been the two scenarios, and you would have got this answer. So you can clearly see that alpha is equal to beta and the numbers are real numbers, right? So the roots are real and equal. The last scenario, the roots are not real. So you can get this scenario as well. So given this equation, you can convert it into the below by using the completing the square norm. Finding the roots. So we have x plus 2 the whole square plus 5 is equal to 0. Subtract with 5 both the sides. We have x plus 2 the whole square is equal to minus 5. Take square root both the sides. So x plus 2 is equal to square root of minus 5. So the question is, what is the square root of minus 5? what two numbers, same numbers by the way, remember, same numbers can I multiply to get -5? So the numbers can be either a positive number or a negative number. But both the scenario gives me a positive number, not a negative number. So therefore, there is no real roots. Okay, there's no real roots which will give me this, but there's something called as imaginary roots, imaginary numbers. Like real numbers, there is one more division called as imaginary numbers that will help us to figure out root of -5. So that's a separate set of numbers, not under real numbers, that you will be learning in your 11th and 12th and higher grades. Okay. So there are three possibilities when you're looking for roots, three scenarios that can come. So the first one being real roots but unequal, real roots but equal, and not real roots.